Students, good morning. Welcome to our video lecture, second video lecture of chapter number 3. Now in the last lecture, students, fundamentally we studied measure of an angle. The rotation of an initial arc with respect to vertex. The rotation of an initial arc with respect to vertex gives us the measure of an angle. Basically, there are two units to measure an angle. One is degree unit and other is radian unit. You were familiar with degree unit, but radian, students, we have already studied. The arc subtended, the angle subtended by an arc of unit length at the center of a unit circle is of measure 1 radian. I repeat, the angle subtended by an arc of unit length at the center of a unit circle, students, is of measure 1 radian. Then we also studied that theta is equal to theta radian is equal to L by R, or length of an arc is R into theta radian. Then one full rotation in degree measure is 360 degree and one full rotation in radian measure is 2 pi radian. So 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Then we also discussed this results. 1 radian is approximately 57 degrees 16 minutes and 1 degree is approximately 0.01746 radian. This already we studied. Now students, today we are going to do the sums of converting degree measure to radian measure. In this lecture, students, we are going to do the sums of converting degree measure to radian measure. Now all of you know this, that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So students, the chronology of conversion will be, first of all, convert second to minute, convert minute to degree, and finally convert degree to what? Radian. This is our chronology of conversion. Once again I repeat, first of all convert second to minute, minute to degree, and degree to radian. And the formula for the conversion, that radian measure is equal to pi by 180 degree into, means pi by 180 I should write, into degree measure. Okay students, first of all I am doing textual example 1, 40 degree 20 minutes. Textual I am doing, students, example 1, and the question is given is theta is equal to 40 degree 20 minutes. Theta is given as 40 degree 20 minutes and 00 seconds. So this conversion is by default second to minute, but there are no seconds. Now minute to degree. Whenever students you want to convert minute to degree, divide by 60. Whenever you want to convert second to minute, also divide by 60. So 20 minutes is equivalent to 20 by 60 degree, and that is 1 by 3 degree. Then the next step is very important. We add this fractional part to the degree. So our original theta will be 40 integer 1 by 3 degree, and this is 121 by 3 degree. This is how, students, this chronology you have to remember, and in this chronology only, students, we go for basic conversions. Clear? Second to minute, minute to degree, and finally, students, degree we have to convert to radian. Now students, I am writing radian measure is equal to radian measure is equal to pi by 180 into degree measure, and this is written as pi by 180 to 121 by 3. Now students, pay attention. We cannot cancel this. This is a prime number. So we write the answer is 121 pi. 18 is a 54. So this many radians. This will be, students, our answer. So what we have to remember, if there were seconds, we would have converted into minute, minute into degree, and if your conversion of minute to degree is a fraction, that will be added as a fractional part to the original degree, and finally students, we go for the sum. Okay, now students, we are doing textual exercise 3.1, all 4 questions of main question 1. So students, all of you should understand this, pay attention. This will be a very useful topic for physics also. Now, convert the following degree measures to radian. The first is theta is equal to 25 degree. Exercise 3.1, main question 1, part 1, theta is equal to 25 degree. There is no second, no minute, so directly convert degree to radian. So students, I write radian measure is equal to pi by 180 into degree measure. So pi by 180 into 25. So 5 5s and 5 36, because 36 into 5 will be 180. So the answer is 5 pi by 36 radian. Students, the answer is 5 pi by 36 radian. Now students, the question number 2, minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Okay students, so now I change the part, and this much is minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Now all of you concentrate. We have minutes. So I told you to convert second to minute, divide by second. To convert minute to degree, also divide by 60. Sorry, to convert second to minute, divide by 60. And to convert minute to degree, students, again we should divide by 60. So minus sign denotes which convention? I told you. If the rotation of the ray is anti-clockwise, convention of angle is positive, and if the rotation is clockwise, students, convention of angle is negative. So first of all, 30 minutes is equal to 30 upon 60 degree, and that is 1 by 2 degree. Now add this as a fractional part to original degree. So this will be 95 by 2 degree, bearing a negative sign. The negative sign just indicates rotation of initial ray with respect to vertex is clockwise. That much only, students, you have to remember. Now finally the radian measure is pi by 180 into degree measure. So keeping the negative sign outside, writing pi by 2 first, cancelling by 5, 5 19s and 5 36. 19 5s are 95 and 36 5s. So this will be 90 upon 36, so 5 final answer is 19 pi by 72 radian. 19 pi by, students, 72 radian. And negative sign of course indicates that the rotation is clockwise. That's all students here, nothing more than that. Now students, I am doing the third part. And here what is given as theta, just check. It is 240 degree. Okay, so part number 3, theta is 240 degree. So this is pi by 180 into 240, cancel this 0 and 0. 6 3s are and 6 4s are. So the final answer is 4 pi by 3 radian. That's all students. And the fourth part is 520. Okay, let me do students the fourth part. Theta is equal to 520 degree. Again, the radian measure I am writing as Rn. Pi by 180 into degree measure. So this will be pi by 180 into 520, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 226 and 2 9s. So this is 26 pi by 9 radian. Pi by 9 you can easily check, 180 by 9. So this is 20. 26 into 20 will give us 520 degree. So it is more than one complete rotation. Now students, let us do an extra sum where we have seconds, minutes as well as degree. All of you please concentrate. Say suppose I am taking theta is equal to 79 degree, 30 minutes and 45 seconds. Now this students, we want to convert to what? Radian. Now the first step, convert second to minute. So 45 seconds is equal to 45 divided by 60 minutes, and that is 15 3s and 15 4s, so 3 by 4 minutes. Add this as a fractional part to the original minutes. So 30 integer 3 by 4 minutes, so 123 by 4 minutes. And this I want to convert to degree, so divide by 60. So this changes to 123 by 240 degree. Again add this as a fractional part, so theta will be 79 integer 123 by 240 degree. Now convert this to fraction and multiply by pi by 180 students. You get the answer. So students, what I am trying to emphasize here, this is very important tool for physics also and for chemistry also students. So you must very carefully understand all the basics and understand all the theories. So once again, as a revision of all the basic theories, we start with measure of an angle. The rotation of an initial ray with respect to vertex. The rotation of an initial ray with respect to vertex gives us the measure of an angle. So actually the measure of an angle is the distance covered in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction by the initial ray to the terminal ray in terms of angle. Now an angle is measured basically students in two units. First is degree measurement, second is radian measure. So we can say that the rotation of an initial ray to the terminal ray or final ray, the rotation of an initial ray to the terminal ray is when 1 by 360th part of one complete rotation, then the angle subtended at the center. Then students, the angle subtended at the center gives us the degree measure, which is 1 degree. And all of you know this convention that 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then what is radian measure? Before defining radian measure, I must discuss what is unit circle once again. A circle whose center is origin and radius 1 unit is called the unit circle. The equation of unit circle is, students, x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now how to define 1 radian? The angle subtended at the center of unit circle by an arc of length 1 unit gives us an angle of measure 1 radian. In radian measure, one complete rotation is the circumference of unit circle, and circumference of unit circle is 2 pi radian, because r is equal to 1. The formula to find circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, but r is equal to 1, so 2 pi. In degree measure, one complete rotation is equal to 360 degree. Then we studied this 1 radian is approximately 57 degree 16 minutes, and 1 degree is approximately 0.01746 radian. Then today, students, we have done the sum of conversion of degree measure to radian measure. Radian measure is equal to pi by 180 into degree measure. In the chronology of conversion, second to minute, minute to degree, degree to radian. While converting second to minute, divide by 60. While converting minute to degree, again divide by 60, and that fractional part we add to the degree as an, you can say, mixed fraction. So finally degree is converted into radian by the formula radian measure is equal to pi by 180 into degree measure. Students, go through the sums, and next lecture we will do the conversion of radian measure to degree measure. Thank you, students.